Hey guys, in this video we will show you the clone iPhone XR here. I've got one blue and one space gray here, so I will unbox these two iPhone XR and show you what it looks like. Okay, so let's unbox them first. So before shipping, we will seal the box with the original plastic foam, so it looks like the original iPhone XR. Okay. And this one, the space gray. Let's unbox it. Whoa! So both of them is 128 gigabytes here, and I got the US version. So the blue one, space gray. So first, this is the use manual. Yes, use manual, the sticker, the pin, and the Apple sticker. Okay. Here we got the iPhone XR. This is the blue one. And we got earphone, USB cable, and the US charger. This is the space gray. Okay, this is the space gray iPhone XR. It has the Apple logo in the back, and it shows iPhone in the bottom. Okay, let's turn. So it looks like the original iPhone XR with the black background and the white Apple logo. And here we see this is the sound button, and this is the volume button, and here is the power key, and here is the Lightning USB port, charging port. Okay. So this is iPhone XR, blue color and space gray. And I will show you with this blue one. Okay, like this. And this space gray, and the blue one. So as you can see, the menu is same like the original iPhone XR, and we can see the setting page. Setting page, we got yes, airplane mode, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, mobile networks, and we can see the about page. About page name is iPhone, and the model number, serial number, and IMEI here. We will got the original IMEI, which you can search on the web, internet, and it shows iPhone XR. Okay, and. This is MTK6580 quad-core 1 GB RAM and 16 GB ROM, and it shows fake 4G LTE, but actually it supports 2G and 3G only. It shows the fake 4G LTE. So, and check the camera. check the camera quality. This is the picture. It's a bit dark. Okay, let's check the phone quality. Okay, so the telephone call is made and the sound quality is clear and very loud. And very smooth, you see, it dial any number. It's okay. And I will connect to the Wi-Fi to check the internet, okay? So the Wi-Fi is connected, and let's check the internet. Google page, let's say YouTube. Okay, this is iPhone XR, and I will also show you the App Store here. App Store, they also make a fake App Store, which is not the Google Play Store. Yeah, you see. So the internet is good and we can see the videos